Hi, I am Isha and you're watching Explore with Isha. After visiting two temples, Datta Mandir and Balaji Temple at Narayanpur, I am heading towards Kolhapur. In case you haven't watched the Narayanpur vlogs, I'll leave the link here up in the I button. You can watch after this video. Now the Kambadgi Ghat starts. At this point, you will find a lot of turns and various curves. Today is a bright sunny day. The distance from Pune to Kolhapur is 231 kilometers, and we will be covering this journey in 4 hours approx. Everyone here is in a rush to either reach Satara or Kolhapur. You can spot the government bus Shivashahi. I have booked this sedan type of comfortable cab through Make My Trip. You can also book an Ola. Regarding my cab expenses, I'll leave a screenshot here, but in case you still have any queries, you can comment down below. In summers, you will see such tractors carrying sugarcane everywhere. I am nearing Satara, and the distance to reach Kolhapur is 113 kilometers as the signboard shows us. And oh my, what a beautiful road this is, and the shadows of the green trees. This is such a scenic route. Ahead, you will see a bedsheet of green farms, coconut trees. Everyone should take a road trip to Kolhapur at least once. At the outskirts, you can see the Pudhari local newspaper office. Kolhapur is just 11 kilometers. We took the lower path to enter the city. Just take a right turn under the flyover. Over the past years, Kolhapur has been developed. It's a developing city and it has developed much than earlier. You will see the command that welcomes you to the city. The sun is just about to set. We have reached in time. You will spot the Fern Hotel on my right. You will see that there are a lot of hotel accommodations on this route. I have booked the Ayodhya hotel. It's a 3-star hotel at the Tara Rani Chowk. This is the Tara Rani Putla. It's the Tara Rani statue. And the reason why I chose Ayodhya is because it's very centralized. It provides good connectivity. We have booked a deluxe AC room with breakfast that was for rupees 2699 plus taxes per night. And this is their valet parking section, very spacious. It is a good hotel to stay with family. It's clean and well maintained. For dinner, I have ordered paneer burji, my favorite, crumple Indian cottage cheese paneer. Just look at the quality and quantity they serve. Truly satisfying. The chapati size is huge. It's wholesome and filling for 3 to 4 people. And I can say Ayodhya has got the best food. It's very savory and appetizing. The service is remarkable. Rates are also affordable, and they have such cute cutlery. I just love their dishes. Along with this, I have your cheese butter garlic naan, and due to summers, I have ordered this mango milkshake. This was also very yummy, delicious, and good. The next morning, I went to their family in-house restaurant Mithila, where they serve you the breakfast. This is their breakfast spread. You can see the misal handi, but as it was Angarki Chaturthi, I was fasting that day, so I had some fruits and sabudana khichdi. Mogmi upas sodla with this mixed veg kofta curry, the creamy rich gravy. Just indulge yourself in this flavorful food. And the staff and management here is very polite and helpful. I had a wonderful and pleasant stay at Ayodhya Hotel with the best food, stay and service. Mog ami gelo Mahalaxmi Temple la. That's a popular tourist attraction, also known as the Ambabai Mandir. It's a Hindu temple. People who visit Kolhapur make sure that they never miss Ambabai's darshan. And I got some beautiful pictures clicked from outside. Inside, cameras are not allowed. Here I come to the end of the video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.